Welcome to Kwara State, a land where tradition, culture, and history converge. Nestled in the heart of Nigeria, Kwara is home to some of the most revered traditional rulers in the country. Today, we take you on an extraordinary journey to explore the lives, legacies, and cultural significance of these custodians of history, the monarchs who embody the spirit and heritage of their people. Welcome to Ilorin, the capital of Kwara State and a city steeped in history, culture, and tradition. At the heart of this ancient city stands the Emir of Ilorin, a leader whose influence spans generations and whose legacy is intertwined with the identity of the Yoruba and Fulani people of this region. Today, we explore the life, history, and enduring significance of the Emir of Ilorin. Ilorin traces its origins to the 18th century, initially a Yoruba town under the influence of the Oyo Empire. Over time, it became a strategic center for commerce, culture, and Islam. The emirate was established in the early 19th century, marking the beginning of a lineage of emirs who have shaped the city's development, faith, and cultural identity. The emirate blends Yoruba traditions with Islamic governance, making it a unique institution in Nigeria's diverse landscape. The Emir of Ilorin serves as the spiritual, cultural, and administrative head of the city. Beyond ceremonial duties, the Emir guides the community in matters of tradition, religion, and conflict resolution. He presides over festivals, adjudicates in disputes, and works alongside government authorities to promote peace and development. The Emir embodies the values of wisdom, justice, and leadership, ensuring that both heritage and modernity coexist harmoniously. Ilorin is often called the City of Knowledge due to its rich Islamic scholarship. The Emir plays a pivotal role in preserving religious education and Islamic culture. Ajase-Ipo stands as one of the ancient Igbomina towns, known for its strategic position along the old trade routes. Its culture is a beautiful blend of Yoruba traditions, warrior heritage, and ancestral wisdom. The Olupo throne is one of the most respected in the region. Historically, the Olupo served not only as a ruler but as the spiritual, cultural, and judicial head of the community. A guardian of customs, festivals, and local governance, the current Olupo of Ajase-Ipo is His Royal Majesty, Oba Ismail Yahoya Atolo Alibiosu, Olupo of Ajase-Ipo II. Descended from the Alibiosu royal dynasty. He ascended the throne after a selection process rooted in tradition, lineage, and community acceptance. Before becoming king, he was known for his leadership qualities, community service, and strong connection to the youth. His coronation brought excitement, hope, and renewed energy to Ajase-Ipo. Under the Olupo's reign, Ajase-Ipo continues to grow. His Majesty plays a crucial role in promoting peace and unity among various groups, supporting education and youth empowerment initiatives, strengthening traditional institutions, fostering economic development, preserving Igbomina culture and values. He works closely with chiefs, elders, and government officials to ensure that the town continues to prosper. Lafiagi is one of the major Nupe-speaking towns in Kwara State. Founded centuries ago, it served as a strategic center of culture, agriculture, and commerce. The Nupe people are known for their craftsmanship, rich music, traditional attire, and strong leadership structures. The Emirate of Lafiagi grew from a deep-rooted history of migration, settlement, and the fusion of Islamic and traditional values. The Emir of Lafiagi is the traditional, spiritual, and administrative leader of the town. For generations, the emirate has played an essential role in maintaining peace and justice, preserving Nupe customs, supporting Islamic scholarship, guiding community development, strengthening unity among the people. The throne symbolizes continuity, stability, and wisdom. Today, the kingdom is led by His Royal Highness Alhaji Muhammad Kudu Kawu, Emir of Lafiagi, a respected leader known for his humility, diplomacy, and deep commitment to the welfare of his people. Before ascending the throne, he had a distinguished career in public service and community development. His leadership style blends tradition with modern governance, making him a bridge between the past and the future. Under his reign, Lafiagi has experienced growth in educational support programs, youth empowerment initiatives, improved traditional justice systems, peace building within the community, collaboration with government on development projects. Lafiagi is home to many beautiful cultural elements: rhythmic Nupe drumming, colorful festivals, traditional wrestling, weaving, and age-grade ceremonies. At the center of all this is the Emir, a custodian of tradition, ensuring that the cultural identity of the Nupe people remains strong. Offa was founded in the 14th century by Olomu of Omu-Aran, a powerful warrior and hunter from the Yoruba Igbomina subgroup. The kingdom grew into a hub of commerce, iron smelting, craftsmanship, and scholarly growth. From ancient battles to the famous Offa Wars, from trade routes to cultural expansion, Offa's history is one of courage, innovation, and unity. The Olofa of Offa is more than a king. He is the guardian of traditions, land, justice, and the cultural soul of the Igbo people. The throne represents royal continuity, spiritual leadership, community protection, cultural preservation, unity among Offa descendants worldwide. Every Olofa carries the legacy of the founding warrior king, Olomu, and the responsibility of guiding his people through changing times. Today, the kingdom is led by His Royal Majesty, Oba Mufuta Muhammad Oloid Bademosi Esewe II, a visionary monarch known for his intelligence, diplomacy, and love for his people. Born into the Esewe royal lineage, Oba Mufuta ascended the throne in 2010. His reign has been marked by massive community development, strong educational support, promotion of Offa's cultural identity, economic partnerships and modernization, peace building and conflict resolution. He is widely respected across Yorubaland and Nigeria for his leadership style. Offa is rich with cultural expressions, from traditional dances to age-grade systems, from masquerades to musical heritage. The Olofa plays a central role in major festivals such as Esa Traditional Festival, Moremi celebrations, New Yam rites. These festivals connect the people to their ancestors, reaffirming their identity. Omu-Aran is one of the largest and most influential towns in Igbomina land. Its history dates back centuries, founded by descendants of Oduduwa who migrated to establish new settlements. The name Omu-Aran is tied to ancient traditions, warriors, and the strong cultural identity of the Igbomina people, known for discipline, craftsmanship, and deep respect for leadership. The Olomu is the traditional ruler, spiritual head, and cultural custodian of Omu-Aran. For generations, the Olomu stool has played a central role in protecting the community, upholding justice and traditional laws, safeguarding Igbomina customs, promoting unity and social order, guiding community development. The throne carries an ancient legacy, respected not only in Kwara but across Yorubaland. Royal Majesty, Oba Abdurrahim Oladil Aduti, Olomu of Omu-Aran II. A distinguished leader with a background in education, community service, and public administration. Before ascending the throne, Oba Adeoti was widely known for his integrity, wisdom, and contributions to the socio-economic growth of the town. Since his coronation, he has been committed to strengthening unity within the community, promoting youth empowerment and education, encouraging developmental partnerships, supporting culture, arts, and tourism, ensuring peaceful coexistence. His reign symbolizes renewal, progress, and cultural pride. Omu-Aran is a community rich in culture and vibrant traditions. Some of its significant cultural practices include masquerade festivals, New Yam celebrations, traditional Igbomina dances, age-grade ceremonies. The Olomu plays a central role in preserving these traditions, ensuring that younger generations remain connected to their roots. Visuals: masquerades, dancers, women in colorful attire, age-grade groups performing rituals. Omu-Aran is one of the largest and most influential towns in Igbomina land. Its history dates back centuries, founded by descendants of Oduduwa who migrated to establish new settlements. The name Omu-Aran is tied to ancient traditions, warriors, and the strong cultural identity of the Igbomina people, known for discipline, craftsmanship, and deep respect for leadership. The Olomu is the traditional ruler, spiritual head, and cultural custodian of Omu-Aran. For generations, the Olomu stool has played a central role in protecting the community, upholding justice and traditional laws, safeguarding Igbomina customs, promoting unity and social order, guiding community development. The throne carries an ancient legacy, respected not only in Kwara but across Yoruba land. Royal Majesty, Oba Abdurrahim Oladil Adeoti, Olomu of Omu-Aran II. A distinguished leader with a background in education, community service, and public administration. Before ascending the throne, Oba Adeoti was widely known for his integrity, wisdom, and contributions to the socio-economic growth of the town. Since his coronation, he has been committed to strengthening unity within the community, promoting youth empowerment and education, encouraging developmental partnerships, supporting culture, arts, and tourism, ensuring peaceful coexistence. His reign symbolizes renewal, progress, and cultural pride. Omu-Aran is a community rich in culture and vibrant traditions. Some of its significant cultural practices include masquerade festivals, New Yam celebrations, traditional Igbomina dances, age-grade ceremonies. The Olomu plays a central role in preserving these traditions, ensuring that younger generations remain connected to their roots. Visuals: masquerades, dancers, women in colorful attire, age-grade groups performing rituals. Shona is one of the ancient Nupe settlements in Kwara State. Its history stretches back centuries, shaped by migration, trade, and the influence of Nupe culture. Known for its agriculture, especially rice and livestock farming, Shona became a community built on hard work, unity, and cultural preservation. Over time, its strategic location along traditional trade routes made it a center of commerce and cultural exchange. The Emir of Shonga is the traditional, spiritual, and administrative head of the community. The emirate plays an important role in maintaining peace and unity, settling disputes and upholding justice, preserving Nupe customs and language, supporting Islamic scholarship, driving community development. The throne carries centuries of history and continues to guide the people with dignity and authority. Today, Shona is led by His Royal Highness, Dr. Halari Yahoya, Emir of Shonga, a respected leader known for his calmness, intelligence, and dedication to the progress of his people. Before ascending the throne, he contributed significantly to public service and community affairs. As Emir, he has continued to demonstrate strong leadership rooted in humility, wisdom, and cultural pride. His reign is marked by peacebuilding and conflict resolution, support for education and youth empowerment, promotion of agriculture and local enterprise, encouragement of religious harmony, Collaboration with government on rural development. Shona is rich in Nupe cultural traditions. From colorful festivals to traditional music, drumming, dances, and craftwork. Some key cultural elements include Nupe royal rites, traditional praise singing, masquerade displays, agricultural festivals and community gatherings. The Emir plays a central role in these ceremonies, ensuring that the heritage of the Nupe people remains vibrant and respected.